Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. Hope everyone is having the best day. This is a requested video. I did a video yesterday where it was how to turn any font into a Canva frame, and she requested that I do this just a little bit shorter. So this is going to be a super quick video. I'm going to go ahead and head over here. You can pick anything you want. I'm picking a square. So I am going to pick a font. Now, I will say when you are choosing a font, please make sure that you are choosing one of the free fonts from Canva. I'm going to use the letter H, and then now I'm just going to choose a different font. I've decided to use the Chewy font because it's a nice, big, bold font that's going to be perfect for this tutorial. Okay, the next step is to download this as a PNG with a transparent background. Now, if you do not have Canva Pro, you can use another background remover. Like you can go to Microsoft Designer, which is free, and you can do your background remover there. So I'm going to go ahead and download this with a transparent background. Now I'm going to head over to Photopea, and I'm going to open the image that we just created. Over here in our layers panel, you're going to right click on the first layer, and we're going to click select pixels. Then we are going to go right over here where it says paths, and we're going to click selection to path. Then we're going to go up here to where it says layer, and we're going to go to vector mask and select current path. And if you look closely, if you're on the screen, you'll see that there's a light blue outline on the letter. The next step is we are going to export this as a PDF. So we're going to go up here to File, Export as PDF. Next, we're going to head back over to Canva. We can go ahead and delete this, and we're going to go ahead and upload this PDF that we just created over in Photopea. Now we're going to bring it over here to our canvas. And here's the fun part. We're going to right click on it, click detach image, and there's our Canva frame. Perfect. And see, then you can use things like, let me type in This is just where it gets fun because you can throw any image into this, and that's how you do that. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to the next one.